Is G2G legit or is it worst for you? So I will tell you my experience over 10 orders in this video. Like as you can see, this is the G2G website in front of you. Whenever you will scroll to the down, you will see a lot of products, application or trending gift cards or anything. What you have to do is if you want to create a gift card for you, you can click on this option. To check the trending video games, you can look out to this section in front of you. And now we will simply go to the login section. On the right top of the screen, as you can see, this is the items, game coins, accounts, coachings, and a lot of things on this website. I have already used it, and yes, I can tell you one thing that this is not bad for you. If you're a beginner, then it will be the best for you. You can use it for different purposes, like how to sell your account, how to purchase an account, how to purchase a service. So let me kindly search for in all services. I will click on the video game service, and then here I will search any of the video games I want to sell or purchase. So this is how you can use this website. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.